Hey guys, good day. I hope you're doing excellent. So today we came by walk to the Alhambra and we took a different way, right? We didn't came through the normal touristic path, but we took another different way which was beautiful, and I want to show you so you have an idea, right? So let me show you around. So basically, if you just do a left, you get to the Alhambra entry there, and we came this way, which is probably, I don't know, 10 to 15 minutes walk. Is you need to climb the hill for sure, but it's very worth it, very beautiful as well, right? So, and today we are doing this path with our dogs. We will go down so you can see the way down, and then we will do also a walk inside called the Darrow path, right? And I think it goes beside the river. So let me show you this. So basically all this construction that you are seeing here, I think it was the walls that surround the Alhambra, right? And this path as well is dog friendly, so you can definitely bring your dogs. You can unleash them. We are bringing these two on the leash because there might be other dogs, so we don't want to bother other people, but basically you can unleash them if they behave properly.
I love the walls.
So even though we are in the top of a hill, you will find a lot of water here, right? A lot of streams running down. And the tourist guide yesterday on the Alhambra, she was explaining to us that basically all this water that you can see right here is coming from Sierra Nevada, right? It's coming from the mountains. When all the snow melts, basically the water gets here, right?
I imagine like when the summer is coming, all these trees are full of leaves. But
Yes.
it's just the starting of the
Spring, right?
Yes.
Yeah, spring is just getting started, but yeah, all these trees will blossom for sure,
But
you know.
it's already like a lot of flowers in the ground.
Luna was having some fun here just a few minutes ago. Luna, mami. Ven, espera, dame a Luna, suéltala ahí un momento. Luna really loves the water, but Joy, as you can see, even for drinking, he doesn't like to get wet, right? So he's trying to drink some water. Papi, get there, papi. Mami, push them a little bit. To the shallow path? Okay, yeah. Ven, mami. Yeah. No, I got it. It's fine, yeah. Mira, maybe here, Tere.
Ven, ven. Cuidado.
Wait.
Que con Luna Mami, que le turbe el agua a tu hermano.
Mami, let your brother drink water. Ah. Look at mommy. I think he drank mud, but because Lunita. Wow, this tree is full of what? Figs?
I think it's fixed. Yes.
Figs? You think so?
Yes.
Wow. Amazing. It looks like a fig tree, but it's full of it, you know? Wow. And I will show you as well some olive. An olive plant. It's the first time we see an olive with olive, right? So let me show you this. So this is how olive trees looks like, right? And let me find, it's this one, right?
This one you will find like a bunch in the floor.
Yeah,
And then
in the tree as well, right? So if you look into the floor, you'll find a lot of olives. Just like this one, right? But you cannot eat the olive directly. I just learned that a few minutes ago. My wife was teaching me because they do a process, right? So you can eat it afterwards. If you try to eat it like this, it tastes really bad, really sour. I don't think your stomach can take it, to be honest, you know. And let me see if I can see some on the trees. Yeah, you can see. So you can see them on the trees. Yeah, probably there. So it's amazing. I never saw an olive trees with olive before. Neither was able to pick the olive. So it's nice. So many flowers, right? Beautiful. No, no, no. Don't worry about it. She's having fun. We took a
the walls, like how
stop
they're
before.
changing, like,
Yeah, let me show it on the video as well. So you can see the walls here. Is the style of the walls, you know, is wow, breathtaking, you know. We stopped there on that spot for a bit when we were climbing up, and now it really gets steep, right? But one thing to notice is we have seen a lot of people, like I will say with old age people, right? More than 70, 75, doing this path, right? They go, of course, at their own pace, but you'll find a few people doing it, which is great, you know? From here you can also get a very nice view from the city.
Därför är de begravda där och då var det inte väl huvudstad i uppfattning, tror jag. Jag har för mig att både Toledo, Madrid och Granada.
Look at the race there on the top, you know, like we didn't notice that when we were climbing up. You see?
no. I think we were focused on climbing.
Oh, let me show you so you see how steep it is, you know. To be honest, the floor is like super good, right? It's not slippery. It's really good to make it because you have these stones on the floor, so you can do it without any challenge, you know. super fine as long as you have the strength to climb up, you know. And see the flowers, you know, it's so beautiful.
I think the best time of the year.
We were discussing which is our next destination once we are done with Spain. So basically from Granada we will go to Almeria by drive, right? We will drive to Almeria. From Almeria we will go then to Valencia, and from Valencia we don't know. So far we will spend 1 week in Almeria, 1 week in Valencia, I believe so far, and probably then we will hit Portugal or France or Italy.
Italy could be too.
Definitely. The Dolomites. We need to go to those mountains in Italy, you know? One thing very beautiful here is this, right? Like even though like the spaces are not super huge, you find like this place in which you find a few houses, and it's like super cool because they put the plants.
Super beautiful.
Yeah, like that one, right? I will not get inside because as you can see right here, private property, do not trespass, but it's super beautiful, you know? And some of the cars, they make it to this spot. So let me show you, right? This is the systems they used in the past, right? To bring the water from place to place, right? Basically, they have these canals. I don't know how to call it in English. I don't even know how to call it in Spanish. But they have these roads of water, right? They bring the water. So basically, they will, if you want to bring the water to this location, you will follow the river, and as soon as you find a spot that is higher than this current location, you will start building this, right? And you will bring the water from that spot to wherever you want, right? And it's just gravity water, right? Which is great. Again, you can see here the view of the city is this side of the city, you know? Super beautiful. Let's go. You want the photo?
No, I was like waiting for you, but now that you mentioned, yes, I want the photo.
Okay. Let me stop the video, wait. So after one photo, we keep moving down, right? So we are in the same spot right here. Tere, watch out with the car, eh? Let's go down. I think in Spain, from all the cities we have been so far, right? And we have been in Madrid, in Barcelona, in San Sebastián, in Sevilla. We have been in Los Picos de Europa. Where else? We have been a few other places as well, I think, right? Madrid, Malaga. I don't know, a few other places, but I think
So far, this is our favorite.
yes, I think so far Granada is really the most beautiful place we have been, you know, here in Spain. It's I think it's a special combination, right? Because the city is perfect size, right? You can literally walk mostly everywhere in the city, right? And I don't know, we just love it, you know. It's a very nice experience, Granada, right?
But also it's like, beauty is a relative thing, no? For us, it's Granada, but maybe for other people, will be another city.
Agree. For us, it's Granada, but other people might enjoy more Barcelona or Madrid, or other places, But for us, so far, I think it's Granada. So this path that we are taking right now is a different path. This is the route of Darrow, and I think Darrow is the name of the river, right? So let's do it.